This 5-minute solution will show you how to create a Facebook page event. First of all, we need to switch to the Facebook page where we want to create an event. So tap on menu, tap on this arrow icon and select your Facebook page. And now go to your page profile and here tap on more and tap on events and tap on create an event. And now you can change your event cover photo from here. You can upload a photo from your gallery. Now write here your event name and select here your event start, date and time. I want my event start in 10th January and I'm selecting the time. Okay, and you can also add a end time and date by tapping here. And now, is it in person or virtual? I'm selecting virtual and selecting Facebook Live event. And enter here your event description. Scroll down. You can add a co-host to your event by tapping here. Now select a profile to add as co-host. Now tap on create event. And that's it. As you can see, my event has been created. And now to find your created event, again come to your page profile and tap on more and tap on events. And here you will get all of your upcoming or created events. You can tap any of them, then you can share the event or you can manage the event. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.